Hey, what's up guys? This is Mr. Su and welcome back to another videos. On this channel, we'll talk about further mathematics, and if you're interested in that, please feel free to subscribe. Alright, let's get into today's video. Today, we're going to talk about the sum of roots and product of roots. Well, you might not understanding why are we needing this, right? For example, this is the questions. X squared minus 5x plus 6. And then they suddenly ask you, what is the root, sum of root and product of roots? Normally they'll write like this. Alpha plus beta or alpha times beta. The first thing is, you must know what is alpha, what is beta. Alpha and beta is just simply the roots in a quadratic. So the first root called alpha, the second root called beta. And when we write alpha plus beta is the sum of root. Alpha times beta is a product of roots. Does it make sense? Right. So the thing is, how do we relate quadratic equations to sum of roots and product of roots? Let's do it this way. I show you how can we relate in a solid way. So for example, I want to solve this quadratic. By solving this, we can straight away factorize it. So this is your answer. X equals to 2 or x equals to 3. So there are two roots. We can assume that the first root is 2, the second root is 3, it doesn't matter. 3 is the first root, x equals to 2 is the second root, it doesn't matter. Now, we observe. Okay, let's observe. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Now, what is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Now, notice that the C, we call it C, is exactly the same as the product of roots, correct or not? And the B is exactly the same as the sum of roots. If I write it in general form, equals to 0. So if I divide the coefficient for the x squared, I'll get x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals to 0. Right. Now we compare. X squared and x squared doesn't change. Right. Negative 5 and b over a. We write it down. Negative 5 equals like this. 6 is equals to c over a. Now what is negative 5? What is negative 5? Here. 5 is exactly the same as negative alpha plus beta equals to alpha beta. If alpha plus beta, we can write like this. The summations of the roots. Alpha is the root. Summations of all roots is equals to negative b over a. And the summations for the alpha times beta is equal to c over a. So from what we know here, we can actually tell the summations for the roots, sum of roots and product of roots by looking at the quadratic itself. It's just simply negative b over a and c over a. So this is how you can understand it in a clearer way lah. That's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.